Over the weekend, a video showing campaign posters of Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu superimposed on rail lines and airport terminals in the United Kingdom circulated online. Let's take a look. Okay, is he running or not? I mean, he hasn't come out to say, but this, Tinubu, you're cracking up. I'm sorry, I can't hold myself. Refine quickly your analysis on this.
I mean, with that video, was he running for the mayor of London? Or does he want to take Sajid Javid? What's the mayor of London's name again? I forget his name. You know, because when I look at this, on London Underground and everywhere and all of that, I'm sure these are some of the supporters that are doing it. If he wants to get in the race, come out here. But what is most important for me are the issues. You see, all of these are just political calisthenics. Who can solve the insecurity problem? Who can solve the poverty problem? Who can change the life of Nigerians and bring them out of this pain? Those are the issues. Well, this one are just, you know what, there's a word you call serere.
Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Dr. Abati, I mean, I don't know if we have much time for your comment.
I think the irony of those adverts should not be lost on us. Yeah. Look at that beautiful train station.
Yes.
Yes.
I wish we could have that here.
Yes.
Look at that very clean, well-kept underground.
Yes.
I wish we could have that here. Look at the electricity, supply. I wish we could have that here. But who knows? Maybe, Asiwaju Tinubu and his supporters, they want to start their campaign from the UK. But how much, we don't have diaspora voting, by the way, unfortunately. And the campaign there, maybe the purpose is to encourage people in diaspora, to persuade them, to encourage their people back home to support the Asiwaju when and if he decides to run for the presidency of Nigeria. Otherwise, this is just an attention-grabbing, gimmick, on the streets of London.
All right. Well, thank you, guys. That's all I have for you on What's Trending today. I'll see you tomorrow.